In this PrimeDesign AI review, I'm going to be showing you a marketing toolkit that will write and design and build sales pages, squeeze pages, upsell pages, video sales letters, ad copy, and more in just a few clicks. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals and upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out PrimeDesign AI, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says the world's first AI marketing toolkit writes, designs, and builds high converting sales pages, squeeze pages, upsell pages, video sales letters, ad copies, emails, and more in just 3 clicks, no BS. It even turns marketing copy into videos that pump sales round the clock. So essentially, this is a software that's going to create these for you. It's a cloud-based app. The commercial license is included as well, so you can provide this as a service to people. They say just step in and select the content niche you wish to create for, let the AI do its work for you, and then you can download and publish those wherever you want. Now, they've got a bunch of testimonials here. These are actually, this person looks familiar, so it looks like these are actually real testimonials. These ones are marketers, so not necessarily the people that you want to look at. You want to look at actual customers when you're looking at testimonials here, but it is, they have some income proof. Now, this could mean that they use this technology in order to build their pages with and stuff. But it doesn't mean that you're going to magically make this kind of money if you start using the software, but they might have used it for their own marketing here. So if you scroll down here, I just want to show you what you're going to be actually getting if you purchase this. Scroll down to the bottom. Here we go. If you purchase, you're going to get access to the software, 400 templates from multiple categories, 100 page designs. You can generate 50 scripts per day, the inbuilt content editor, cloud-based editor. It has all these different things in it. On the front end offer for a low one-time price. You are going to want to move your mouse away. That's going to give you a discount here. I make less as an affiliate by showing you that, so please hit the like button. I appreciate it. Okay, let's go over and take a look at a video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back and show you.
Hey, is it tough to drive traffic and generate leads for your campaigns? Ever wonder what's wrong? Believe it or not, your culprits may be non-engaging marketing copies and their designs. Trust me, unless you engage your users with persuasive marketing content and designs, traffic, leads, and sales are not going to come. The sad reality is, creating attention-grabbing and high-converting marketing content and design templates is challenging. But you're not alone. Oh, come on. Copywriting is a hard nut to crack because this skill needs the practice to master. And if you have no writing idea, you just sit and write a copy. It's even true for designing websites or graphics on your own, because you need to learn the basics. Unless you're a pro, be ready to spend a fortune on hiring experts to do it all. If you face all these, you have my sympathy, because even I encountered some roadblocks while starting my own business. It's backbreaking to get a magical hook for my copy to engage readers to go through all. It's difficult to draft a persuasive copy relevant to my target audience. It's frustrating to hire designers and wait for ages for them to deliver your design copy. It's heart-wrenching to spend top dollars on a single campaign without being sure of the results. But what if I say you don't need to deal with such issues anymore? Surprise, surprise. I've got good news to cheer you up. Hey, we finally managed to find an impeccable shortcut, powerful enough to save your time and money. And it's something that you can trust to create engaging copy and content to get you results without depending on copywriters for weeks to deliver. And guess what? Our solution is even crafted to help you stop spending a fortune on experts to design your content without waiting. Wondering why? Because our module is designed to take care of all of your issues. And that too, with almost no human effort. So it's up to you to continue suffering or embrace a new AI technology designed to ease your pains. While the world was battling COVID-19 lockdown, we put our 1.5 years into an AI-enabled software to work like a pro copywriter and a marketing content template designer with no human effort. So no matter what type of marketing copies you need and their design templates in any niche, this industry-first module is all you will ever require. we are damn sure it'll work for you, because it blew our minds when we tested it in our campaigns. And once you have this remarkable arsenal in your kitty, you'll finally stop worrying about writing marketing copies on your own, hiring freelance copywriters or agencies to get your marketing content and copies created, paying huge amounts to get costly writing software, spending big on designing a single marketing content template, spending a fortune on trying different tools available in the market to design marketing content templates without being sure of their size and compatibility. Presenting PrimeDesign AI. It's a patented AI software that creates attention-grabbing marketing content, DFY designs, high-converting sales videos for sales pages, squeeze pages, upsell pages, video sales letters, ad copies, email swipes, and even so much more in only 3 steps. Step 1. Log in to the PrimeDesign AI app and select the content and niche you wish to create for. Step 2. Let AI weave its magic. Our AI will now create high-converting marketing copies and even offer marketing content design templates to meet your needs. Step 3. That's it. Download, publish, and start driving traffic that converts and makes sales for you 24/7. PrimeDesign AI is a must-have app because it's jam-packed with stunning features to create high-converting marketing copies and super engaging design templates in any niche. Like ability to create 400 marketing content templates from diverse categories like sales pages, upsell page copies, ads, headlines, CTAs, PRs, and more. Up to 100-page design options to craft designs for any marketing content. Ability to generate 50 marketing content scripts. Built-in content editor to customize your DFY designs. Cloud-based editor to use the app from anywhere with an active internet connection, without installs or downloads. And so much more. Wait, you also have the commercial license feature inside PrimeDesign AI. It'll help you earn more by offering marketing content and design template creation services to hungry buyers. And the best part? You get to charge desperate buyers any amount, keep 100% of every sale without sharing, begin your 6-figure agency biz, and even a laptop lifestyle. And here's the cherry on top. Book PrimeDesign AI right away and grab fast action bonuses worth $19,999 free. Still unable to decide? Don't bother, because your money is super safe with our 30 days money-back promise if this app did not work. So you lose nothing. What are you waiting for? Stop hesitating and seize PrimeDesign AI now at a super discounted price. Don't delay or be ready to pay more. Cheers!
Okay, so we are back. So this is the first upgrade you're going to see. This is the unlimited version of this. It's going to give you to take away any limitations that you have on this. If you want to get this one, it's an optional upgrade. However, you are going to want to move your mouse away, and it's going to give you a $10 discount. Again, I make less by showing you this, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Next one here is the get unrestricted access to the world's largest cloud-based one-click searchable platform with royalty-free images, videos, etc. So if this is something that you want to use, you can move your mouse away. You can get a $10 discount here. The next one, it's going to be looks like a traffic edition. So if you want to get this one, you can. Next one here is ranks any video on page 1. So this is a way of ranking. Move your mouse away and get a discount for this one as well. Then they have a SEO software. Move your mouse away and get a $10 discount on this one. Then they have a reseller license. You can move your mouse away and get a pretty decent discount here, bring the price down to $77. And the last one is, it looks like they've got some kind of an extra program here. Move your mouse away, get a discount. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about PrimeDesign AI and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, any software like this that does so many things, it's not going to do them the best. So I always, if I want a software that's going to do something for my business, I usually try to just get like one software that solves one thing. So just be aware of that. When you get something that tries to do everything, it's probably not going to do everything the best. What do I like about this? If you're someone that's on a budget, if this is a tool that's going to be good for your business for a low price here, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my PrimeDesign AI review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.